Welcome to
Quality Inn Hotel in Richmond Hill. Hotel near I-95 on Coastal Highway 17. Pet-friendly stay.
features well-appointed guest rooms, equipped with cable, satellite television with HBO, and free wireless high-speed internet access.
Close to Fort McAllister State Park, Richmond Hill Historical Museum, and Henry Ford Kindergarten Building, J.F. Gregory Park, Georgia Colonial Coast Birding Trail, the OGC River, Savannah Festival Factory Store, historic downtown Savannah, Fort Stewart Military Base, and coastal Georgia Botanical Bamboo Gardens. Our staff are hospitality professionals who know how to meet your needs for excellent accommodations. Previous reviews show us to be a great place to stay for comfort, value, and convenience. Quality Inn Richmond Hill GA.com